let's see what happens. Whew. I can do it. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it's getting bigger. Look at it, it's getting bigger and faster and faster. Is it about to explode? It's about to explode. It's really about to explode.
Oh, shoot.
For real, it's about to explode.
It's really about to. Shoot.
It's about to explode. It's about to explode. Wait, it's not exploding.
Let's hope it's
you know what? Let's just take it out now.
Let's hope.
Hold on, wait. Before we do it, we have to get something safety, and because maybe we might be warm. So let's take it out and see. And there. Now I think the plate might be warm, so that's why I'm using this. And, wait, hold on, what happened to it? It was just really popped up. Maybe, let's see what happens if we touch it.
I think it was exploding, but did not do.
I think it ran out of energy, so let's take something, let's take one each. And take it back. Ooh, it looks really weird.
But it looks really good to eat.
Hold on. Done. And now, goodbye guys. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.